He says the rocks, John. Mhm. Johnny, what are you doing? You getting in Nana's rocks? Johnny. Those are Nana's.
Hold it.
Alright, you can hold it. You guys want to go play with the big cat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Johnny, where's Cat in the Hat? Johnny, where's Cat in the Hat? Better go get him. Alright, you two, let's go get him. Okay, go get Cat in the Hat. Go get him. Come on, John. You two go. Come on. Okay, John. This is John's. Pull the cat. Pull the cat to Nana's room. Come on. Okay, you get one hand. You get the other. Okay, grab his hand. Hey, John Chase. Yeah, you broke the little man, I know. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it for both of you. All right, John Chase, you go on that side. Okay, yeah, you go on that side. Okay, there you go. Here, John Chase. Here, you come on this side. Come here. There's a spot for you. There you go, sweetie. Here's your spot.